Welcome to Sidari Waterpark Hotel Resort and Spa room tour.
Yeah.
This is 410 Hermes and we're in a family suite. There's a few different types, but this one is actually a 2-floor apartment kind of thing. So it's very, very big for what it is. So you've got your air conditioning unit down there, electronic key card for entry, and a clothes dryer. So that's always handy. Let's come in.
Yeah, come in. Okay, should we start at the
So in here, this is the main downstairs area. You've got your double bed there, which is 2 singles together.
Yes.
You've got a telephone there.
Yes. Hello.
Over here, we've got a wardrobe with a safe in and a few hangers and a couple of drawers, as well as a duvet cover.
Yes.
So lots and lots of storage.
You also got
Lights at the side of the bed with power socket, so great for charging phones. Over here, you've got an L-shaped couch area, which not the cleanest, but it's quite comfortable. TV area, a fridge, quite a big fridge with a little freezer section, tea and coffee making facilities, a free water, which you get on arrival, pen and pencil, and a notepad. Not sure why you would need that. And then out here, you have your balcony area with a fly screen to keep out all of the mosquitoes, etc. And you're overlooking the water park. You've got a little parish church there. Over there is where the restaurant is. Bit of a play area, which is also where the kids' disco is at night, just in front here. And then let's go and have a look upstairs. Okay, so upstairs you have full-length mirror, your air conditioning switches, so you can do all of your things with the air conditioning unit there. Stairs. And again, another massive area. Very loud if you are downstairs though, because there's no soundproofing. But next to the beds, you've got a drawer both sides. You've got a plug socket with a light, so you can turn off the big light along the side here, as well as the little lights. This again is 2 beds that are joined together. And then you've got your TV there, a desk with drawers again, and a little cupboard area. And then we're not actually sure what this is. I think it's, oh, this is a sofa bed kind of thing. So it folds out if you need an extra bed, because at the moment you would probably get like 5 or 6 people in here. But yeah, that. Worth noting that if you are up here, downstairs you have blackout curtains for where the balcony is, but there's no curtains at all here, so you will get woken up naturally at about 6 AM when the sun comes up. So that is one thing worth noting. Other thing worth noting is headroom. I'm 6'1", and obviously getting out of bed here, I've been on this side, standing up. I did whack my head this morning because you've got to remember it is very low. And if you're lying in bed here, looking at the TV, it's so small. So that really could do with being updated. I think it's only about 21, 22 inch. And yeah, if it was something a bit bigger, you'd be able to actually see it from there. So I do feel like it's a bit of a wasted size really. And I also noticed, being in bed, I don't know why, but the actual sheet where you put your feet is too short. So it ends here. So my feet are on this, which is like the mattress protector. And I just don't I just don't understand it. So, like, why? Why is the sheet so short? So that's one thing that really did annoy me when I was asleep, or trying to get to sleep. I had to try and bring my feet up here. Okay, let's go down and check the bathroom out. That's actually filthy. So I've only just seen that. That could do with even a hoover on it just to suck out all of that dust, because it's very, very dusty up there. So again, this is the family suite, which is why it's got 2 floors, and it is, I think, one of the bigger rooms you can get here. Okay, let's go and see the bathroom. So it is a decent size, and I was quite excited when I got here because not just one rain shower, but there's 2. There's one on each side. But we've got no hot water, and the hotel has said that there's nothing they can do about it, and we've told 2 or 3 different people now, and each time they've said it's part of the hotel gets hot water and they'll try and fix this, but having a shower in the cold is definitely not fun. But the pressure, if it was hot, is pretty good. And you've also got all sorts of weird things like body sprays, which that would be good if it was nice. So all of these. And then on the other side, and you've got that as well. So there's lots and lots of different fancy things, which is great. And then you've got your hair and body wash and your shampoo. And then over here, you've got all of your towels. You've got sink. You've got your liquid hand soap, and you've got a nice, it's really powerful actually, 1600 watts. So that's good. And a soft close seat, which is always handy. Apparently the top bit isn't soft close, it must just be the bottom. So there we go. And you've got a fly screen on this window, so if you're having a shower at night, you can keep the mosquitoes out. Also, I don't think I mentioned, but you've got a desk under here, which, if you wanted to do the spa, you have all of these things here. So you've got a back and shoulder massage. I've never had massages, so I'm not sure if the prices are good or not. But one thing I would say is quite expensive is if you go to, you've actually got a heated pool and jacuzzi, which is over the other side of the hotel complex. 30 minutes is €15. That seems very expensive to me, considering obviously you've bought a holiday here. And then just for a sauna, 15 minutes, I don't think 15 minutes is long enough anyway, that's €20. So it is very expensive for what it is. I mean, I'll show some pictures now of what it looks like, because it is quite impressive, but pricey. So, what do we think about the room? So the Sidari Waterpark is actually rated as a 4-star, according to them. So you have to pay €10 per room per night for the tourist tax. But I would class it more a 3. I'd say 4-star is it's pushing it a bit. But it's a fairly decent 3. If the showers were working and we had hot water, I'd say it'd be quite a nice 3-star. But hopefully that will be sorted. And also, it does smell a bit. When we came in, the smell was it's like a chemical kind of smell, but it's more in the bathroom than anywhere else. I'm not quite sure what the smell is, kind of like a damp smell. So we're not sure exactly what it was, but yeah, apart from that, I'd say it's a solid 3, but definitely not a 4. Room update. this is the last, well, we're just packing up, ready to go, so we're just about to check out. So things that have improved are the shower has hot water, which according to them, it was off because we're the first people in this room and no one thought to check that all the hot water worked in the rooms before guests came. So they apologised for that and got the boiler working again. The smell in the room is still there, which I assume is because it was since October it's been empty. So that's another thing. And then if you want to keep your room for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours before your transfer, it's €70, which I can't even believe that. So normally they do it in stages, so you can have it for an extra 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. Well, that's what we've experienced in the past. So it's really not worth it for the additional 70. But yeah, also notice that this lamp doesn't work, and it's because the actual bulb is gaffer taped in. And one good thing to note though is that the beds, the whole time we've been sleeping in the beds, we've had them together as a double. And normally when you're at other hotel rooms, they do split apart when you're in them. Whereas this one, it's been solid, so that is good. But the small TV, some days you turn it on and it takes like about a minute, maybe 2 minutes to start up. So it keeps turning itself on and off, on and off, on and off until it does. So room aside, I'm gonna say it's good for what it is, but they definitely could have checked things before allowing paying guests in, just to make sure everything was working. All right, well, thank you very much, and I'll show you around the hotel later.